go get some Easter eggs. Come on. You want to make area? Okay. All right. The Easter Bunny game. Here we go. Can you go put him in here?
Whoa.
A Kit Kat. Can you put it in here first? There's another one. There's other ones. Put them in here.
Kaden, you gotta find the rest of them. We have all kinds of them.
The Easter Bunny left you all kinds. I think there's something in the chair. Can you put those in there? Put them in. Yep, good job. In. Grab those.
Get it.
Good job. Can you put those in here?
Put them in the bag. There's more.
Oh, another Kit Kat. Can you put them in the bag? Oh, you lost them. Whoa. Can you put it in the bag? Nope.
Kaden, you gotta find the rest of them.
Are there two over there?
Look.
Look in your basketball hoop.
Can you get those ones?
Look. Do you see these? Can you put those in there? Put them in. No? Alright. I think there's one behind it too. Can you grab that one? I'll grab it. Okay, grab the other ones. Can you grab those?
No, you take them out and put them in the bag.
You put them in here like this. Thanks, look at all of them.
Thank you.
Not yet. You gotta find all your eggs first. Can you grab that one? Yeah.
Whoa.
Can you say hi? Put them in. Put your eggs in. And put your Kit Kat in, right? Put it in. We'll get it for later. No, okay, keep put them in now. Where's the other ones? Do you see other ones?
Are there more? Good job.
Oh, we gotta open it. Do you need help?
Is this fun? You like looking for Easter eggs?
Okay, let's put it in. Eden.
Hey, where you going?
I think there's one in there.
Can you look?
Is there one? Is there two eggs in there?
Oh.
Good job! Yay! Can you put the orange one in? Let's put the orange one in. Look, look. Oh! Yeah, there are more. Yeah, more in there. Are there any more? Good job. Go grab the other ones.